Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel One to Step, and in today's tutorial video I'll be showing you guys how to use Slack Connect on Slack app. So guys, let's get started. First of all, the thing that you need to know is the main purpose for using Slack Connect is that with Slack Connect you can work faster with your partners, vendors and customers outside your organization. So guys, the first thing that you need to do is click on add channels. Here you can create a new channel. So guys, you guys will be using it for the external use. So click on, let's write the name of your company. This is just a demo, okay guys. X company, okay. Since the username is already taken, I'm gonna write X work. Okay, so once the name is done, either you can put the visibility on public or private as per your organization decision. So once you click on create, your channel will be created, and the next task is to add the people you want to add who are representing the organization, or you can simply add the organizations as well. So this way you can use Slack Connect on Slack app. I hope you guys liked today's tutorial video. If so, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. See you guys in the next video. Until then, peace.